I'm still hearing the thunder. The clouds turning more pink. It was really yellow and orange. It's so pretty. And I believe those clouds that are kind of puffy and hanging down are called mamous, M-A-M-O-U-S. Named after what you would think. Oh, and I see our moon is almost full. I'll get a picture of it, but you're going to see the power lines. There's the moon. There's the moon. Never turns out in the pictures, does it? You turn down the... There we go. That's a little better. Hello, moon. Very cool. Our beautiful pink clouds. I started a painting today of my palm trees at night with the stars behind them. We'll see how it goes. My first time painting a dark sky. Thought I saw another face for a second. Maybe if I turn it that way, see a little nose, a little puff of smoke coming out of another animal mouth. Maybe a little bear holding its belly. I don't know, we could make whatever we like, right?